Write an email to the supplier asking for the replacement of smartphone. Subject: request for replacement of smartphone. Here, supplier's name. I am writing this email to request a replacement for the smartphone that I received from your company's name. I purchased the phone, model number, from your store on purchase date, and it has been only number of days or months since I have been using it. Unfortunately, the phone is not functioning properly. It is facing multiple issues such as battery draining too fast, heating up while charging, and frequent app crashes. I have tried to resolve these issues by myself by following the troubleshooting instructions, but it has not solved the problem. As per your company's policy, I am entitled to a replacement within the warranty period if the product is found to be defective. Therefore, I request you to kindly replace the phone as soon as possible. I have attached the purchase receipt and warranty card with this email for your reference. I would appreciate it if you could expedite the replacement process, as I am facing a lot of inconvenience due to the phone's malfunctioning. Please let me know if any further details are required from my end. Thank you for your prompt attention to this matter. Sincerely, your name.